Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. Today we are making another side dish and we're making it right here on the Pit Boss Platinum Lockhart, and this particular side dish reminds me a lot of summer. When you're outdoors, maybe you're in the pool and you've got some burgers fired up on the grill, maybe some hot dogs, some corn is cooking inside. There's always this side dish, and it just happens to be one of my favorite side dishes, and it is, of course, baked beans. We all love baked beans, right? Good for the heart. Right? Yeah. So we're going to cook them up today. We're going to smoke them in a skillet. We're going to add a few extra things to give it just a little bit of heat. It's going to be delicious. I can't wait to get started. I'm sure you can't either. So let's go. All right, a few things that I'm starting with here. I've got my skillet. This is a cast iron skillet, and earlier I put some bacon in it, and I didn't fully cook that bacon. It's kind of like 3/4 of the way cooked because being in the smoker is going to finish it up. You could put this in here completely raw and not cook it at all. The reason that I did that is because if you have raw bacon in here and you're cooking it with the beans, you're going to have to actually smoke this for, I don't know, roughly 6 hours or so. And I just honestly don't want to take that much time. So I pre-cooked it a little bit and it's going to finish up in the smoker. Now, I'm not a person that normally likes onions, but I do like the onion flavor. And so rather than chop up a bunch of onions and put them in here and mix them up, instead, I'm just wanting that onion flavor. So I'm going to take this onion and I'm going to cut it into slices and then just put those slices in here so that they're nice and easy to remove when we're done. Okay, so just going to chop this off here. And there. Remove that outer portion here. So I'm just going to take this onion, now that I've got it peeled, I'm just going to cut it sort of like this right down the middle. And then maybe just once more right down here. And I'm actually going to take just a few slices of this onion. I'm just going to toss them in here. And that's what's going to make them super easy to remove. Again, you could dice this up and leave them in there, but I don't really like to crunch into an onion. So I'm just going to leave these in here just kind of like so. And I'll save the rest of this onion for later. All right, so now I've got my onions and my bacon into my skillet. Next, I'm going to add 2 large cans of baked beans. You could use any style of baked beans that you want. I'm just using a traditional kind of recipe for them here. Just going to pour those right in, just like that. And can number 2, juices and all, just like that. Just layer that out there, right on top. Notice all that bacon's down at the bottom. Okay, just kind of stir it up a little bit to incorporate things. Is it too early to tell you how good this smells? All right, next I'm going to add just a little bit of cayenne pepper. Not a ton, just a little bit there. Give it a little bit of heat. And then to give it even more flavor, a little bit of paprika. It's literally blowing away. There we go. Give that another little stir there. We're just adding to the flavor. I mean, this isn't even cooked yet, and it's already smelling incredible. I know I said it before, but wow, the smell already. All right, finally, before this goes on the smoker, I'm going to actually slice a jalapeno here. And this is really, whoop, all right, we're good. We're good. This is gonna serve as just sort of a little topping here. So let me show you how we're gonna do this. Got that chopped, a little straggler here. So I'm gonna take my skillet, I'm just gonna place these right on top, just like that. Now I love jalapenos, some people don't, that's totally fine. Just grab one more here, 1 or 2 more. You'll notice I'm leaving the seeds completely in. That's where that heat comes from. But I'm just going to leave it there because, hey, I like the heat of these jalapenos. All right, my next step is to get these into my smoker at 225 degrees. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put these on at 225, just like that. All right, so the question I know that you're dying to know, how long are we going to leave these beans on the smoker? Answer, I have no idea. Okay, so I know that if we had left that bacon uncooked, we'd be looking at probably about a 6-hour, 6.5-hour cook here on the Lockhart. But since I did cook the bacon about 3/4 of the way through, it's probably gonna be more like, I don't know, 4 hours or so, but who knows? The only way to know is to continuously check. So about every hour or so, I'm gonna come back out and take a look. What I'm really looking for is a nice, almost like a crust on the top, but not really a crust. It's just gonna appear a lot darker on top. That's a sign that we've gotten a lot of that smoke flavor infused into these beans. And ultimately, once they're done, we're gonna take them off, try them, and I guarantee you, they're gonna be delicious. So I'll see you in a little bit, and we'll check on these beans. All right, it's been about 2.5 hours or so. Let's go ahead and get a look at our baked beans. Oh man, look at that. That brown color just tells me that they're absorbing all that smoke flavor. Man, these are gonna be so delicious, but they're not quite done. I'm gonna close this back up. I'm gonna give it about another hour, and then we'll, I think, be ready to take them off. All right, about another hour has come and gone. Let's take a look. These should be done. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that dark brown smoky color on the top. Look at how those jalapenos have rendered down. Those onions have such a nice color. They're kind of like bubbling a little bit here and there. Oh man, these are gonna be absolutely delicious. Let's go ahead and get them off the smoker. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we have it. Our smoked baked beans. Man, just look at how amazing those look. Look at the color. All right, I'm gonna grab these big pieces of onion and go ahead and get those out. Oh man, that smell. Woo, they smell so good. All right, everybody, the time has come. It is time, after about 4 total hours, to try these smoked baked beans. Here we go. All right, definitely hot. All right, I got a jalapeno, I got some bacon in there. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. So good I dropped my spoon. Whoa. The flavor, flavor, flavor. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to stop this video because I gotta eat some more of these. Just the right level of spice, not too hot. That bacon, so good. So this has been yet another way to take a traditional, kind of bland, normal side and kick it up and give it tons more flavor. Try this, you're gonna love it. Try it this summer when you're out grilling out on the grill. Throw these on the smoker, you will not be disappointed. Well, thanks once again for tuning into the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. If you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click that little bell to turn on the post notifications so that you get notified as soon as we go live with something new here on the channel. And hey, check out one of these other videos so you can see some of the other incredible things that we've cooked up here outside. And I will see you next time.